Hi everyone, and welcome to another video on my channel. Today we're going to be doing some knotless braids with this Kanekalon hair. Two cams here. This is the first time she's going to have full-on extensions. She wanted a change in a bit of color, so I figured, well, this is a good, compromise because I'm not dyeing her hair. So as always, I prep the hair. I'm oiling her scalp at the moment. Going to massage that in and make sure that her hair is in the best state it can be before we do this style, because it will be a protective style that she'll have in for a few weeks. So I always start at the back, and I've already pre-separated the hair, and yeah, I'm just basically gonna jump in and start doing these knotless braids. Initially, as you can see, the braids look really tiny, but as I go on, you will see that I decided to increase the size a little bit. I don't add much hair because I want this to be as light as a feather. Well, not as a feather, but you know what I mean, you get it. I want these to be very light on her head because she already has very thick hair. Adding loads of Kanekalon hair would only weigh down her neck and her scalp, and I don't want that. So I add about 3 bits of hair to her own hair, and I'm making sure as well that I do not do them tight. So from her scalp, I don't need it to be extremely tight. I need it to be gripped properly, but I don't want it too tight because I don't want any bumps or to create, sores on her head or anything like that, because she is tender-headed as well. So I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this video. It's quite self-explanatory, and I'll come back at the end for the closing. But yeah, enjoy the video.
Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
So my loves, we are almost finished, and as you can tell, this girl is really happy with her hair. I loved how it turned out. I love the color of the braids, and as you can see, it really pops at the ends. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching again, and I will be back with another video very soon. Bye.